How to find billing settings in Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about finding the Roblox billing settings on your PC or desktop. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Roblox website. For that, go ahead and launch your web browser. Go to roblox.com, or you can also launch your Roblox player and log into your account. After that, click on the settings or the gear icon in the top right corner, and then select Settings. In the Settings menu, there are two sections to review for the billing information, that is subscriptions and payments. If you have any active subscriptions, you can cancel them here. And the payment method section is the most important section. And if you have the payment methods linked to your accounts such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover, you can view and update them here. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can easily find your billing settings on your Roblox account. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.